Hello everyone, my name is Ramba Mamba, and this is episode 0 of how to make an FPS game in 2020 for complete beginners. I just released the episode 1, and I realized that I made some holes in the tutorial, so I wanted to make an episode 0 to cover the things that we missed. In this episode, we'll learn about the setup and installation of the two things that we need to download, as well as what our game will be. So let's start with the game that we're going to be making. We're going to be making an FPS first person shooter. So it's going to be from the first person perspective and a shooting game. And this will be oriented for complete beginners who have no experience with Unity. You will learn to make models. We're going to make some maps. And we're going to make some bots to fight against in our game. It'll be customizable, so you can choose how you want your game to look. Next, I want to talk about the two things that we need to download. We need to be using Unity and Blender. Unity will be our game engine where we can program and make our game. I chose this because it is very beginner friendly and it's currently the biggest place to make indie games. So I will leave a link down below for this download page, but you can use this download page and click confirm and download Unity Hub. In episode 1, I open up Unity Hub after the installation wizard is complete, and I go from there. So I will leave a link down below for this link. Next, we're going to be using Blender. Blender is a place for rendering, making movies, animating, but we're not going to be using that. We're going to be using Blender to make our 3D models. It is fully featured, free and open source. It is pretty much the biggest modeling thing. It's really easy to get started with, and so I will leave a link down below to this link as well. We will not be using this until probably like episode 3 or 4, where we'll make some models of a gun or a player. And but yeah, I'll leave a link down below for this link where you can download Blender 2.9.1. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Ramba Mamba, and I hope to see you in the next video. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. Also, after this video, you can watch episode 1, which is already out. I will leave also a link to that. Thank you so much for watching.